Good morning students. In this video we will discuss related problems to concentration methods. First problem related to parts per million. When 1.04 grams BaCl2 is dissolved in water to have 10 power 5 grams of solution. Concentration of the solution is dash in ppm. So this is the question. We have to calculate ppm. So before going to ppm, so for every problem first we have to write the data. So what is the given data? So here we have two. One is 1.40 grams BaCl2, another one is water. So by mixing BaCl2 with water we will get solution. Here what is the mass of solute in these two? So this is in more quantity, this is in less, that is solution he is telling. This is a solute. So that's why while we are calculating solution, mass of solute is equal to 1.04 grams. When 1.04 grams is dissolved in water, what is the solution we are getting? 10 power 5 grams. So that's why mass of solution is equal to 10 power 5 grams. So what we have to calculate? ppm is equal to question mark. So what is the formula, students, to calculate ppm? ppm is equal to weight of solute divided by weight of solution into 10 power 6. I repeat, mass of solute 1.04, mass of solution 10 power 5, ppm question mark. ppm is equal to, what is the formula? Weight of solute by weight of solution into 10 power 6. Clear? Then substitute the values in this formula. Weight of solute 1.04 divided by 10 power 5 into 10 power 6. So by simplifying this one, 10 we will get 10 into 1.04 means 10.4 ppm. So this is the answer, 10.4 ppm. Next, come to second problem related to molarity. What is the question? Calculate the molarity of a solution containing 5 grams of NaOH in 450 ml solution. 5 grams NaOH in 450 ml solution. Clear? Now here what we have to calculate? Molarity we have to calculate. So that's why capital M is equal to question mark. So what is solute? Weight of solute is equal to 5 grams. Molecular weight of NaOH is equal to, what is the solute given? NaOH. So molecular weight of NaOH how much? 23 plus 16 plus 1, that is equal to 40. Why 23? One sodium we have, sodium molecular atomic weight is 23, oxygen atomic weight is 16, hydrogen atomic weight is 1. So by adding all these we will get resultant 40. 40 is the molecular weight of NaOH. Next, what is the volume of solution? So volume of solution is 450 ml. If volume is given in milliliters, what is the formula to calculate molarity? What is the formula to calculate molarity? Molarity is equal to weight by gram molecular weight into 1000 by V in ml. Formulas you have to remember, students. Molarity is equal to weight by gram molecular weight into 1000 by V in ml. What is the weight? Weight is 5 grams. What is the gram molecular weight? 40 into 1000 by 450. So by simplifying 5 by 40 into 1000 by 450, you will get 0.278. So what are the units for molarity? So units of molarity is mole per liter. This is the answer. Pass. Next problem related to mole fraction. Okay. Read the question thoroughly. Calculate the mole fraction of benzene. What is the molecular formula of benzene? C6H6 in a solution containing 30% by mass in carbon tetrachloride. 30% by mass in carbon tetrachloride. So what is the 30% by mass? So please remember, 30% by mass means 30 grams of benzene is dissolved in 70 grams of carbon tetrachloride. Say for example 4% NaOH. What is the meaning of 4% NaOH solution? Means 4 grams dissolved in 100 ml of solution. Similarly, here in a solution we have two components. One is benzene, another one is carbon tetrachloride. So by mixing benzene and carbon tetrachloride, we will get a solution, no doubt at all. So in this benzene and carbon tetrachloride, what is the contribution of benzene? The contribution of benzene is 30%. What is the rest of the percentage? The rest of the percentage is related to carbon tetrachloride, that is 70%. 70% carbon tetrachloride. First, we have to write the data. So, according to the question, mass of benzene or weight of benzene is equal to 30 grams. So 30% means 30 grams. Gram molecular weight of benzene, how much? So benzene 6 carbons. So 6 into 12 plus 6 hydrogen. So 6 into 1. So 72 plus 6, 78. 78. Now here itself you please calculate moles of benzene. What is the formula to calculate moles of benzene? Moles of C6H6 is equal to weight by gram molecular weight, that is equal to 30 by 78. So 30 by 78 means you will get 0.38 moles. So what is the moles of benzene? 0.38. Similarly, what is the mass of carbon tetrachloride? Mass of CCl4 is equal to, this is 30%, remaining 70% is related to carbon tetrachloride. So CCl4 is equal to 70 grams. Gram molecular weight of CCl4 is equal to 12 plus 4 into 35.5. So what is the 12? 12 is the carbon atomic weight. How many chlorines? 4 chlorines. What is the chlorine atomic weight, students? 35.5. So by simplifying this, you will get 154. This is the molecular weight of CCl4. So if you know mass and the gram molecular weight, what we can calculate? We can calculate number of moles. Similarly, moles of CCl4 is equal to what? 70 by 154. That is 70 by 154 means 0.45 moles. 0.45 moles. Here, what is the moles of benzene? 0.38. Here, what is the moles of CCl4? 0.45. Now, in the question, what we have to calculate? Mole fraction of benzene. Mole fraction symbol is chain. Mole fraction of benzene is equal to formula moles of benzene divided by moles of benzene plus moles of CCl4. Moles of benzene by moles of benzene plus moles of CCl4. So according to the given question, how many moles of benzene we got? 0.38. So how many moles of benzene? 0.38 plus how many moles of CCl4? 0.45. 0.45. So by simplifying this, you will get 0.458. So this is the mole fraction of benzene. Similarly, how to calculate mole fraction of CCl4? Same method. Mole fraction of CCl4 is equal to moles of CCl4 divided by moles of CCl4 plus moles of benzene. You will get a certain answer. So by adding the mole fraction of benzene and mole fraction of CCl4, the sum you will get 1. Then only your problem is correct. Otherwise, it is considered as a wrong. Clear? Otherwise, without applying this formula, how to calculate mole fraction of CCl4? Mole fraction of CCl4 is equal to 1 minus mole fraction of benzene. That is 1 minus 0.458. You will get a mole fraction of carbon tetrachloride, that is CCl4, like this. we can calculate mole fraction of benzene. Next, last question, that is related to another concentration term, molality, not molarity, molality, small m. What is the question? Calculate molality of 2.5 grams of acetic acid CH3COOH in 75 grams of benzene. 75 grams of benzene. So in this 2.5 and 75, which is solute? This is solute. Which is in less quantity, that is solute. Which is in excess quantity, that is solvent. So 75 is greater than 2.5 now. So 75 is considered as a solvent. 2.5 is considered as solute. So what we have to calculate? Children, we have to calculate molality. So solution, small m is equal to question mark. Small m is equal to question mark. Next, weight of solute is equal to 2.5 grams. Gram molecular weight of solute, that is CH3COOH, is equal to 60. Why 60? 2 carbons, 4 hydrogens, 2 oxygens. By adding, by calculating the molecular weight, you will get 60. We have to calculate. Sometimes we want to give this molecular weight of acetic acid. We have to calculate our one. 60 we got. Next, mass of solvent. Mass of solvent is equal to 75 grams. Mass of solvent is equal to 75 grams. What is the formula to calculate molality? Molality is equal to weight by gram molecular weight into 1000 by weight of solvent in grams. In grams. Now molality is equal to, what is the weight? 2.5 divided by 60 into 1000 as it is, divided by, what is the weight of solvent? Weight of solvent is 75 grams. So by calculating this, you will get 0.556 mole per kg, that is the unit of molality. So this is the problem related to molality. So up to this, all types of problems are completed respected to concentration terms. Thank you. Have a nice day.